Welcome to Dan Cummins Chevrolet Buick of Paris. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with chrome bumpers,
air conditioning,
4-speaker audio system, front dual zone AC, side airbags, anti-lock braking, occupant sensing airbag, automatic headlights, 4-wheel independent suspension, tilt steering wheel, and much more. Since 1956, the Dan Cummins family of dealerships has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors here in Kentucky and surrounding states with the best purchasing and owning experience. We take pride in providing the best customer service and creating an environment that our customers can appreciate. Visit us today at one of our convenient locations in Paris or Georgetown and drive for your Dan Cummins deal.